Google has completed the ultimate trinity in search technology by harnessing the power of AI for text, image, and video capabilities. For 25 years, Google has been making our lives easier, from finding answers to the most unclear questions to navigating our way around the world. Here we're exploring 3 groundbreaking tools that are set to revolutionize how we search, interact, and get things done. Let's first talk about the mastermind behind these innovations, Demis Hassabis. Demis might be the most important person at Google right now. He founded DeepMind, which Google acquired in 2014, and he's now the CEO of Google DeepMind, overseeing a super group of AI experts. This guy's leading the charge towards building artificial general intelligence, pretty much the holy grail of AI. The tech that will make the most impact in the way we all search is finally here. Ever found yourself wishing that Google could do all the searching for you and deliver the best possible results straight away? Well, with Google's new AI overviews, that's exactly what's happening. Here we're diving into this game-changing feature to see how it can turn our search queries into instant answers, making our life a whole lot easier and smarter. So what exactly are AI overviews? AI overviews are AI-generated summaries that appear at the top of Google search results, providing quick answers to your queries by piecing together information from multiple sources. This is powered by Google's Gemini model, which brings advanced capabilities like adjustable responses, multi-step reasoning, and planning. One of the coolest features is the ability to adjust the level of detail in your AI overviews to suit your needs. Whether you want a detailed explanation or a simple summary, you can update the response with just a click. AI excels at handling complex queries with multi-step reasoning. For example, you can ask, what are good options for a day out in Dallas with kids and some ice cream shops nearby each option? And you receive options from across the web that match those queries. Imagine asking Google to plan your next trip like, create a 3-day plan in New York City next week starting with a massage in the morning of day 1, and getting a detailed day-to-day planner on your first results, with flight options and a place to stay. Now that's the power of AI overviews. Now let's talk about how businesses can optimize their content for AI overviews. Here are a few practical tips. Tip 1. Structure content as questions and answers. Create content that explicitly answers common questions related to your industry. This increases the likelihood of your content being featured in AI overviews. Tip 2. Create comprehensive overview pages. Develop detailed overview pages that cover topics from initial research to final decisions. This positions your content as a valuable resource for Google AI to reference. Tip 3. Pursue featured status on high authority sites. Engage with high authority Q&A sites like Quora and Reddit. Having authoritative content featured on these platforms can increase the visibility in AI search results. And tip 4. Maximize technical SEO. Ensure your site's technical SEO is top-notch. This helps Google's AI models crawl and understand your content effectively and increase the likelihood of it surfacing in AI overviews. Let's say you own a local fitness studio. By creating structured content about the benefits of your classes and customer testimonies in a Q&A format, you can get featured in AI overviews, attracting more local customers. For an e-commerce site, optimizing product descriptions and creating comprehensive guides on how to use your products can help your content appear in AI-generated results, driving more traffic and sales. It's important to note that AI overviews will impact traditional Blue Lake web results. With more screen space occupied by AI-generated content, click-through rates for organic results will decrease between 15 to 64%. However, websites that are optimized for AI overviews are already seeing higher traffic on their sites according to a report in the US. AI overviews are revolutionizing the way we interact with search engines. By providing quick, comprehensive answers, they are enhancing user experience and offering new opportunities for businesses to optimize for their online presence. Imagine being able to search for anything on your device without ever leaving your current app. Sounds pretty cool, eh? Well, with Google Circle to Search, it's making it possible right now. Get ready to explore how this magical feature can make your device feel like a real-life wizard's tool. Circle to Search is a new feature that lets you search for anything on your device using a simple gesture like circling, highlighting, scribbling, or even just tapping. No more switching between apps, just select what you're curious about and get information you need right where you are. Here's how it works. It may be different for you as I'm using a Pixel 7. You long press the bottom of the screen, which is the navigation bar, to activate the feature. Once activated, the screen becomes active and ready for your selection. You can then do whatever gesture on the screen for more information. For example, I was reading an article about traveling and I came across Laos, a country I'm not familiar with. I just tapped it and Circle to Search found all the information I needed. Pretty cool, right? As consumers, we can use Circle to Search while shopping online. For instance, you're on Instagram and you come across something you're curious about. Just circle it. Circle to Search will instantly find your articles, reviews, and shoppable options from various retailers without having to open a new app. This seamless integration improves user experience and can make online shopping even more enjoyable and efficient. But it's not just for shopping and just for work. Circle to Search has educational benefits too. Students can use it to get help with their homework. For example, if you're struggling with a math problem, just circle the question, and Circle to Search will provide you step-by-step instructions on how to solve it. And it will give you the final answer, but it will help you understand the process first. This is a game changer in making learning more interactive and accessible. Leveraging Circle to Search can significantly enhance your digital marketing strategy. Here are some tips on how you can implement it effectively. Create interactive content. Develop content that encourages users to engage with Circle to Search. For example, if you run an e-commerce site, create visually rich posts or videos featuring your products. Instruct your audience to use Circle to Search to learn more about specific items. This not only keeps users engaged, but also drives traffic directly to your product pages without them leaving your site or app. Optimize visuals for search. Make sure that your images and videos you publish are optimized for Circle to Search. Use clear, high-quality visuals with easily identifiable features. This ensures that when users circle an item, they get accurate and relevant search results. Educational campaigns. Run campaigns that educate your audience about how to use Circle to Search with your content. This can include blog posts, tutorials, or social media content explaining the benefits and showing them how to use the feature with your products and services. By integrating Circle to Search into your digital marketing strategy, you can create a more interactive and engaging experience for your customers, driving higher engagement and conversion rates. Now, I know some of you might be concerned about privacy. Google has ensured that data processed through Circle to Search is temporary and not stored long-term. It's crucial for us to stay informed and vigilant about how our data is being used. And Google's commitment to privacy is a step in the right direction. Circle to Search stands out due to Google's superior search capabilities and integration with other Google services. This feature could set a new standard for smart wearables and other devices, offering a more dynamic and interactive user experience. Circle to Search is paving the way for a new era of interaction with our devices. It's practical, innovative, and designed to enhance both personal and business tasks. Your next AI assistant will not only know where you left your keys, but will also help you tackle your next big project. That's the promise of Google's Project Astra, and it's set to transform the AI landscape. Here we'll dive into this cutting-edge technology that's as close to having a superpower as it gets. So Project Astra is built on Google's Gemini 1.5 Pro, and it's a game changer. We're talking about an AI that's improved in translation, coding, reasoning, and more. Picture this, an AI that can process information at lightning speed by combining video and speech inputs into a timeline of events. It's like having your very own Jarvis from Iron Man. Okay, it's also like having a super observant friend who never misses a thing. Here's how it identifies objects. In the demo, you can ask Astra, what makes sound in the room?
I see a speaker, which makes sound.
But that's not all. Astra can also help with creative tasks. You give it an alliteration challenge and it comes up with
creative crayons color cheerfully. They certainly craft colorful creations.
And for the tech enthusiasts, it can identify code functions in a snap.
This code defines encryption and decryption functions.
Think about how this can streamline your development process. Your team can focus on creative problem solving, while Astra handles the repetitive tasks, boosting overall productivity and innovation. Astra also uses multimodal inputs. It combines camera vision with voice commands.
This appears to be the King's Cross area of London. It is known for its railway station and transportation connections.
While Project Astra hasn't been released yet, it's never too early to start thinking about how to integrate this advanced AI into your digital marketing strategy. Here's one way business owners can prepare to use Project Astra to enhance their marketing efforts. Set up Gemini to handle common customer queries through chatbots on your website or even social media. Gemini can understand and respond to complex questions, provide product recommendations, and even troubleshoot issues. This ensures customers receive immediate assistance, improving their overall experience and satisfaction. Now let's talk about privacy. Astra's memory raised some eyebrows. It can remember things like where you left your glasses, but only for a session. Google reassures us that the data is only temporary, but it's crucial we keep an eye on how this evolves, especially in terms of data security. As business owners, ensuring our clients' data is secure should always be our top priority. Looking at competitors like Meta's visual recognition on smart glasses, Astra is ahead because it considers motion and action, not just static images. This could be the future of smart wearables, offering a more dynamic and interactive experience. The possibilities are endless. User testimonials and feedback. People who have tried Astra are excited. One user said it was like having a very smart, slightly quirky friend. Others appreciate its ability to switch between serious tasks and fun games seamlessly. This kind of versatility is what makes Astra stand out, and it can bring the same level of innovation and efficiency into your business projects. Project Astra is paving the way for a new era of AI. It's practical, creative, and surprisingly personable. I see enormous potential for businesses to leverage this technology to enhance their online presence and operational efficiency. These innovations will not only revolutionize the way we interact with the digital world, but also unlock new possibilities for human connection and understanding. As we continue to evolve alongside these innovations, we may find ourselves embracing a future where the line between technology and humanity becomes increasingly blurred, much like the relationships portrayed in these thought-provoking films, Lucy, where she unlocked full potential of her brain, and Theodore, finding a kind of companionship with an AI in her.
Everyone thinks you're really drunk right now.
AI Overviews, Circle to Search, and Project Astra are here to enhance our daily experiences and boost the way we do business. As we embrace these tools, let's push the boundaries and see what's possible and create a smarter, more connected future together. Till next time.